Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be looking online for how to create an automated online business for yourself. So I'm going to talk about that over the next few minutes. And listen, if this is the first time that you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to earn your first dollar online. So consider subscribing to my channel at any time. And if you want to learn my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies, you don't have to wait till the end of the video. You can just click the link right below in the description box and I'll send you a free training that will show you exactly how I built out my 6-figure business online, right? But right now we're going to talk a little bit about how to automate your online business, because look, it's not just about having a business on the internet. There's so many business models online where you're not really able to automate anything. Okay, and so over the last 10 years, I've tried literally everything from MLM online to network marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, e-commerce, top tier sales. And there are some business models where you can automate, and there are some business models where you can't really automate it. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the process right now. Okay, what you need to be building out, what you need to be specializing in, and then I'll talk about the key leverage points inside of your business that will allow automation. And if you don't have this, then you're really going to struggle, and you're still going to have to work like 10 hours a day on your business. Okay, so here is the overall method on how this actually works. Okay, so everything starts with strategy. Okay, understand that when you build a business on the internet, it's not just about putting the things in place. So if you buy courses online, you'll hear a lot of people say, oh, all you need to do is, buy a solo ad and send it to your capture page. And then you send it to a replicated affiliate marketing page with tons of offers. Okay, if that sounds familiar, that's what 99% of people that sell courses on affiliate marketing and internet business building, that's what they talk about. That's what they train on. It's ridiculous. It's the worst advice that anyone online can ever give you. Okay, don't listen to these guys because they don't know what they're talking about. They're just trying to sell products, right? But ultimately, if you use that strategy, it's going to keep you broke. I know that because it kept me broke for 8 years. Okay, so you don't want to do that. So strategy is the most important thing. Okay, if you don't understand what you're doing, if you don't do it in a very specific way, if you're not smart about how you set up your online business, you're not going to make any money anyway. It's not just about having the parts in place. It's about the strategy that you implement that overrides or surrounds your entire business. Okay, and so once you have that strategy, what you need to do then is drive traffic. And if you don't know what traffic is, all it is getting new customers to see the front page of your business, to enter the front door of your business, so that you can get new customers through the front door every single day. That's what traffic is. Okay, so once you get the traffic, then you need to build what we call a list. Again, list is an industry term for building an email database of people so that you can start to follow up with people on a regular basis, get people to know, like, and trust you, build a relationship with them, cultivate that list, get people to actually want to work with you, and essentially build up the most important thing, which is trust. Okay, if people don't trust you online, they will never buy anything that you recommend them, even if it's the cure for cancer. Okay, it's not about selling amazing products. It's about getting people to trust you and to want what you're actually selling. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so build your list, cultivate it, build a relationship with them, right? And then that leads on to conversions. Okay, so once you understand how to build a relationship with people, once you create a way for them to communicate with you back and forth. Look, internet marketing is not about hiding behind your keyboard. If you can't communicate with your potential customers, you're not going to be able to build up that trust factor, right? A lot of people, when they start an online business, they try to stand on a pedestal. Okay? They try and stand on this pedestal where they don't have to communicate with their list, they don't have to communicate with their email subscribers, and if you do that, then people are never ever going to be able to connect with you, and then you can't build trust, right? So, one part of conversions is about adding value and cultivating your list and being super cool and being a great mentor and teacher. But another part of it is opening up the lines of communication. Okay, through email and maybe even Facebook messages, right? Where you can communicate with people so that it makes them feel like you're a real person. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so conversions is something that you need to have. And then of course, you need to pick good products to sell, right? So if you're selling crappy stuff, it doesn't matter if your business is automated or not. You're going to get a lot of refunds and people are not going to want to buy from you. You're going to get a very bad reputation online. And it's all about selling great stuff that will actually get people the results that they came here to get. Does that make sense, right? So look, if you're in the weight loss space, make sure you're selling great weight loss products, right? Don't sell them junky stuff. Don't sell them, fatty things that don't really work. Make sure that the weight loss program works. If you're in affiliate marketing, make sure you're teaching people the real skills, the core fundamental skills that will actually get them results in their business and actually allow them to make money on the internet if that's what you're doing, right? So it depends on what you're teaching, right? So make sure that the stuff that you're selling is good, okay? And then what happens in the end is you get into the money, right? That's how this works. Now, this layout right here, okay, this is sort of the 30,000 foot view on how you should set up a digital business or an affiliate marketing business. So in this particular example, what I'm doing is I'm becoming a marketer. I'm being a great connector of products with people, and all I'm doing is I'm going out there and I'm finding great affiliate programs, digital information, educational products, and I find a group of people that I want to sell that to, and I connect the two together. And in order for you to do that, you must be set up this way. Okay, so you must have everything from left to right: strategy, traffic, list, conversions, offer, and that's how you get into money. That's how you get into profit. So I just wanted to give you the 30,000 foot view before I start to talk about all the automation elements, right? If you don't have your business set up this way, it doesn't matter about automation because you're not going to make any money anyway. Does that make sense, right? So set up the business properly from the beginning, and once you do that right, that's the only way that you can actually start to automate it. Okay, so let's start to talk about automation and some of the elements that you need to look at in terms, if you want to automate your business properly. Okay, so the first thing is that you must be able to automate your traffic. Okay, that's super important, right? And let me talk about that a little bit. Now, automating traffic is this part, right? Traffic is getting new eyeballs, new customers to see your business. Okay, if you can't get new leads or new customers to see your business, come through the front doors of your business, go to your website, the first page of your website, which is called the capture page. That's how you collect an email address and you follow up with them. If you can't automate that traffic, your business is screwed, because basically you have to be working on your business for 10 hours a day, posting links on social media, posting little links on Instagram, doing Facebook Lives and all that stuff. And that is not automated traffic. That is manual traffic, okay? So there's a big difference between creating your traffic one time, and whether you're there or not, your system, your business is going to bring in leads automatically. Okay? Now, if you're using social media, for example, right? So if you're posting links on forums, if you're posting links in Facebook groups, if you're posting, pictures in Instagram, that's all manual stuff. You don't want to do that. Okay? In my first 2 years, I was doing all that stuff, and the problem with, social media type of traffic, if you don't know how to do it properly, is that it takes a lot of time. Yes, you can generate leads, but you're going to be posting links all over the place all the time. And if you're not doing that, then you're not generating leads every day, right? And that's not automated. That's manual. Okay? So automated versus manual traffic. Okay? So the type of automated traffic that I like to get is video traffic. So I do a lot of videos on YouTube. I mean, you're watching this video probably on YouTube right now, right? And what happens is I go after very specific keywords. I've got lots of videos on YouTube. So whenever people type out a specific thing in my industry, if they're looking for something specific for making money from home, internet business, affiliate marketing, motivational stuff, they'll find my videos. Right? And that is a strategy, okay? So I've got all these little videos on YouTube, and they're working for me like employees 24/7, 365 days, a year. It doesn't matter if I'm sleeping, if I'm working, if I'm traveling, if I'm sick, if I'm spending time with my family, my videos are up there generating traffic for me every single day, right? So if I'm getting 50 to 100 leads every single day, that is automated. Right? So understand that your traffic strategy, how you get your customers to see your stuff, your front door, is very, very important. If you're doing social traffic, which is manual, you're not going to automate your business. So that's step number one, okay? Understanding where your customers are coming from, and is that strategy manual or is it automated? Okay, if you want to learn how to do YouTube stuff, and then I can teach you how to do that as well. That's where I get most of my traffic from. Okay, so that's the first part of automation. The second part of automation is you must use video strategically. Okay, now if you're not using video in your business, you're missing a trick. All right, because video is the best way to build a relationship with people, to build trust, to build credibility, to build authority, and to suck people in, magnetize them towards you so that they actually want to work with you and they want to check out what you have. All right? If you don't have video, you can't hide behind your keyboard, guys. People are not going to learn who you are, right? So it's not about going out there and using some replicated system, because if you're using a replicated system, so are hundreds of thousands of other internet marketers. They're using that same system, right? And if they're using the same system, your conversions are going to suffer. Does that make sense? Okay? So you must not use other people's stuff. You must use your own stuff, build your own things. Very easy if you know how to do it, if you have a step-by-step, right? And you need to use and leverage video strategically in your business. Now, one of those places that you can use it is on the front end of your business, where you're getting a lot of customers. So people are finding your videos all over the place. It's automated. They're building a relationship with you straight away. It's called the pre-sale. You're pre-framing people to think a certain way before they even come into your sales funnel, your universe, okay? And then once they come into your universe, you need to have a funnel, all right? So that's number 3, a sales funnel, in order to funnel people through a very specific process so they get to see exactly what you want them to see. It primes them for the sale, and once they're ready for the sale, you recommend them a product, and then they buy, and then you make a commission. And that's how this stuff works, okay? Now, the best thing about a good sales funnel is you must use video inside of your sales funnel. All right. Now, your videos don't have to be that long. They don't have to be like an hour long. They could literally be very short 3-minute videos that teaches them something, on the topic that you're in. So if you're in weight loss, you teach them about weight loss. If you're in affiliate marketing, you teach them about affiliate marketing. If you have a guitar business and you teach people how to play the guitar, you teach them how to play the guitar inside of your sales funnel, all through video. Right? So now you're creating leverage, you're creating automation. It doesn't matter if you're snowboarding in the Alps, or you're, sunbathing in Bora Bora, or you're sleeping or whatever. Your sales funnel and your videos will continue to automate and work for you. Very, very important, okay? And look, that's it. And then the last thing is you have your offer at the end that you sell. But this is the way that you automate your business on the internet. Really, it's that simple. It's not complicated at all, okay? So you automate your traffic, you use video in strategic parts of your business, and you make sure that you have a sales funnel that is there whether you're there or not. So now what you've got is, so this is equated to, so what does this equate to? This equates to a machine, okay? Look, actually, selling machine that will sell for you whether you are there or not, whether you're sick, you're traveling, you're working, whatever you're doing, it doesn't really matter, because now you've got a selling machine that is just automated 100%, and all you have to do is continue to work on getting more automated traffic, and everything else just takes care of itself. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah? So this is what I've done every single day in order to automate my business. Now, if I didn't want to, I could literally take my foot off the gas and my business would still continue to generate sales and leads and profits for me, right? But of course, you still want to make sure that you keep an eye on the business. So that's why I continue to work on it. But literally, if I didn't want to, you could just leave it, and it would, you would only have to work on your business 20% of the time if you set up your business like this, all right? But of course, it takes time to get to this stage. Don't think that you can automate your business straight away. It's not going to happen in a week, guys. It's going to take, a little bit of time for you to get to this level, but once you build out your infrastructure, you build out all your stuff, yes, you can truly create an automated business. So first of all, I want to know what you thought of this video today. Did you get some aha moments? Did you get some value, right? I'd like to know in the comment section below. Go ahead and leave your comments. Let me know what you thought of this video. Did you get some value today? What did you learn in today's training, right? If you got some value, I would also appreciate some thumbs ups. Would really like that if you could do that for me. And listen, if you're like, Aaron, this sounds awesome, how do I do this? How do I create an automated online business? How do I leverage affiliate marketing? How do I find great products online? And how do I do all this stuff? How do I do video? How do I, what is the strategy to doing this? I'd love to teach you all this stuff, okay? So if you want to learn this step by step, all you have to do is click the link right below this video, all right? There's a little link right there. Click on that link on the next page, enter your best email address, and I will send you a video that will show you how to do this step by step, okay? It's going to be the best training that you've seen on the internet, and I hope that you will love it, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this training today. Take care, all the best, and I'll speak to you very soon. Take care.